welcome everybody to episode number, I think, 6 now. So I'm getting these videos out to you guys. Episode number 6 on the Interactive Rebuild store. So as you can see, this is how far we got on the home page. We're still working on the home page, but we got a lot done outside of the home page. And if you guys really take a look here, the outside of the home page, which is the catalog page, we did a lot of work to it, right? You guys could see this on episode 3. We connected, every correct link on episode 4, or maybe episode 5 it was. We added reviews to certain products. So if you click on all products here, and let's say this product, we added a review. So we did a lot. And now it's time to get into more design. So let's go ahead and hop into our page. Let's take a look at the actual Interactive store. If you guys are new, basically what theme I'm using is the Wolf of Shopify theme. The Wolf of Shopify theme is right here. It's currently $100. It's on sale. Don't know how long that sale is going to go for. I have no idea, so don't even ask me. But if you go over to their website, it's a theme that essentially makes your website look professional. As you guys can see, I'm building the website out. This looks very, very professional. The whole thing behind having a professionally designed website is that it creates trust. On top of that, it costs a lot of money. Like, if I was to hire somebody to create a design like this, it cost no less than $1,000. But you can create a professionally designed website using the theme. So you grab the theme. They have 5 different demos. And remember, it's this button right here, not this one. This one is the 55-in-1 theme. You can get this theme too, but they have different features, different designs too. So be aware of that. Okay, guys? Now, something we're going to have to do is we're going to need a little more content to our website. So I recommend everybody who watches that you need blogs on your website. You need blogs to your business. Interactive, let's hope they have blogs. Let's see, imprint, sitemap. Let's see here. They don't have blogs, but they do have About Us page. At least not that I know of. I mean, we could check out if they have blogs, but we're going to need blogs regardless. Let's go ahead and create the About Us page. So let's go ahead and just add a little concept here. Let's go ahead and go to the back end. Let's hit Online Store. Let's hit Pages. To create any kind of page, you're going to go to Online Store Pages, right? Let's hit Add Page, okay? And depending on what theme you're using, you're going to see a bunch of suffixes here. So template suffix just means what kind of template do you want for that page. If we're going to create an About Us page, we should look for the suffix that says About Us. And in this case, we have 2 versions. Now, if you're not using Wolf of Shopify, you're not going to be seeing what I'm seeing here. You're going to be seeing something different or maybe nothing entirely. The reason why is because different themes have different features and they have different benefits. In our case, we have a lot of different pages. So we're going to be creating some of these pages today. So we have About Us version 1, About Us version 2. Let's go ahead and tell the difference. So let's type in About Us 1 and save it. And let's go ahead and create a new page and call it About Us 2. And let's use version number 2. And let's just view the differences. So let me go ahead and preview page number 2. So this is page number 2 for About Us number 2. And this is About Us number 1. So let's view this page also. And here we have About Us number 1, and we have About Us number 2. So I'm going to go with About Us number 1, just because it looks more similar to the actual Interactive page, okay? And I'm going to go over here, and let's get it going. So I'm going to get rid of these 2 pages. I'm going to delete About Us number 2. Let's go ahead and delete page. And let's go ahead and edit About Us number 1, and just keep it at About Us. And let's just edit the website SEO, make sure it says About Us only, not number 1 in there. And let's hit save. Now let's go ahead and go back to our online store. Or, you know, we might as well do this for all pages, and we might as well do this now. So hit add page. Let's create a frequently asked questions page. So FAQs, we could add an apostrophe. And we have one about FAQs page. Let's create another one that says contact us, right? So every website needs a contact us page. And generally across all websites, the contact us page is the same. Let's see. We did about us. We did contact us. There's actually 2 versions of the contact us page. I just use version 1. Instagram page. In this case, guys, OneRactive has an Instagram. Unfortunately, I can't link to the Instagram simply because I don't own the Instagram. Does that make sense? So, like, if you look here, the Instagram page, OneRactive, I can't log into their actual account. So that's something you want to be aware of. It's not something I could do. So we're going to just use a gallery page, aka lookbook. So we can use lookbook. We have a product hover page or a wish list. I'm going to create a wish list and save that. And let's go back here. We'll create the product gallery page later. Let's go ahead and hit over online store and customize. Now we're going to see the selection of pages here. We have our About Us page. That's the first thing we're going to edit. And let's go ahead and get started. So all these different sections are considered like services and things like that. I'm going to get rid of this introduce section. Right? And if you ever want to see like which one's which, you could just copy and paste this, then Command F and just paste it. And so like this is this, or at least, yeah, one of them. So we could delete it. And you could see here, boom, it's going to be gone. Okay, so you guys get the point. We can always choose to remove certain things like the Instagram. So the Instagram, I can get rid of it, right? If I wanted to, this whole service box thing, I can get rid of it. I can get rid of basically anything, and I can keep anything. So it's up to you what you guys want to do. Just, you know, be aware that you can do that kind of stuff. So let's go ahead and grab the images that they used, or the image rather. So let me go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and save here. Let's go to our service number 1, or image number 1 rather. The background breadcrumb image is not too interesting for me. So let's go ahead and let's go to service box image. Let's drag and drop and see where that's placed. Okay. And let's hit save. So we could enable it. I'm not going to enable it. Let's remove it. That's my mistake. It should be here. Okay. We could put it here. We can go to introduce, select it here. If we really want to replicate things, I'm going to select that. Why not? And get rid of this one. So the breadcrumb image, it's up to us how we want to do it. I'm going to enable the introduction. And I want to delete, I don't want 3 of them. I just want 1. So, or 2 maybe at most. You know, I could add another introduction here. So like something like this. And make it, you know, add some more text. But just for the sake of the video, you guys kind of get how it works now. So I'll remove that. We'll just have this one section here. And let's go edit the title and all that stuff. So this is the title. Right. The description here. Let's edit the description. And... or excuse me, the content. That's what we need to add. The edit. Excuse me. So let's get rid of that. So we have a title and content. We don't have a description. So we could leave it just like that if we wanted to. This little image right here, this breadcrumb, it's really an option. Obviously, as you can see, the services section, it doesn't exist because we disabled it here. Where was it here? This one, service box. If we wanted to keep it out, we could, but we'd have to delete some of the stuff like service number 1, and it would make it like 3 services, kind of like this. That's not something I'm going to keep now. You guys can kind of do that on your own time, but just to make something basic, clean, looks decent. So you guys kind of get the idea behind that. We have a header, we have a footer. This little background image here should include something like a picture of the team or a picture of something related to fitness. In my case, if you're not like fitness, it could be something else. Let's say I selected this image. Let's see here. This is like a good image. You guys kind of get my point. So yeah, I think that's decent. You know, it's just kind of like up to how you want to do it. But this is like version 1, like I said, of the About Us page. So there's 2 different versions. Let's go ahead and edit the Contact Us page, and let's head up the Contact Us page for One Interactive. Okay, so they have a Contact Us page. They have a banner. Let's go ahead and see if we could download anything here. So I don't think we can. Yeah, that's it. So we can't. We'll just take some of the content and embed it on our site. So how are we going to do this? We can edit ideally I would want to grab this banner. It's not a banner that I could grab, unfortunately. So if I hit Contact Us, I probably could, to be honest with you, but it's going to be a hassle for the YouTube channel. Just select any image here. So let's see if I have a banner available that I can select. Yeah, this is good enough. So this banner will work. Contact Us. It's built for us. It's ready. It's good to go. Let's check out the other page. So we have FAQs. Does One Interactive have an FAQs page? Let's see. Shipping Returns Help Center, maybe. Let's see. Help Center. So Help Center is similar. What's GTC? Terms and Conditions. Okay. We already have a Terms and Conditions page, but this is good, right? So FAQs. Let's just edit the breadcrumb. So FAQs, and let's disable the breadcrumb. That's better. So that looks a little bit cleaner. Let's hit save. Let's just leave the FAQs the way it is. What else do we have? We have wish list. Wish list, there's nothing to edit, simply because you have to have an account. You have to add certain products. Now we're going to, I guess you could say, let's take a look at the website and let's edit the top bar menu. So the top bar menu is important to edit. So let's get that done. So let's go to navigation. We have our main menu. Currently, it's sitting at, let's see here. Let's preview. Open link in new tab. We have our home and our catalog. This doesn't make too much sense. So we're going to edit. Let's make this all capitals, catalog in all caps. Let's hit apply changes. I get rid of the home. Like, there's no point of having that. You already have the logo. If people were to click on the logo, it would take them to the home page. So catalog, under the catalog, we can create, like a full-on mega menu banner, or we could just add different products. I'm going to get rid of the catalog. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create the different collections that I have. So I'm just going to drop all of them. So bottoms, we have collections, we have hoodie, and these are in no order right now. We will kind of clear them out here. We have leggings, make them look a lot better, but let's just drop them for now. Tops, let's see, collections, shorts. What's next? Collections, we have shorts, tops, shirts, we have shirts. We have collections, tops, shorts, hoods, shirts, leggings. Do we have leggings? We didn't add leggings, did we? Oh, we did. Okay. So get rid of leggings. Okay. Now what we need to have is a section for tops and bottoms. So tops and bottoms is going to be its own thing. And we can make, essentially, if we're going to have tops and bottoms, we don't need all this other stuff. However, as a header menu, you need to be very particular with what you offer. So in this case, we don't necessarily need tops and bottoms, but I'm going to keep it anyway. And I'm going to keep this full on out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this stuff. So I have hoodie, right? Hoodie is considered a top. Shorts is considered a bottom. So it's going to be under bottoms. Shirts is considered a top, right? Leggings is considered a bottom. So you could see here, if somebody was to hover over bottom, they would have shorts and leggings. If they were to hover over top, they would have hoodie and shirts. So what else are we missing, guys? We have tops, shirts, hoodies, leggings, shorts. Are we missing anything else? Yes, we have bras. So we need to add bras. So let's go ahead and search for bras. Did we create a collection for bras? We didn't. That's actually what we missed last episode. So let's go ahead and do that now. Let's hit product. Let's hit collections. Let's create a bra collection. So bras. And let's hit automated. Let's title, product title contains the word bra. And let's hit save. So it should be taken care of for us. Let's hit refresh. Let's refresh again. There we go. 3 products. Let's go back to our navigation. Online store, navigation, right? Main menu. And bra is considered a top. So bra, or not all products, excuse me. Let's go to collections, bras. There we go. We just need to edit. Why does it say all products? It shouldn't say that. It should say bras. Hit apply. So now that that's taken care of, typically people need more than just to see this. They need a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, like I said, duplicate all the collections. Well, this is an unnecessary step, to be honest, but, you know, it's only unnecessary because I added tops and bottoms. The only reason why I'm doing this, I wouldn't typically do this in a normal store, but the only reason why I'm doing this is so that you guys can get, you know, a little point of view as how we're going to create a mega menu. And so let's go to collections again. Let's browse. Let's just add every collection. Collections, bottoms. And like I said, this is an unnecessary step, but we're going to do it anyway. Bras, hoodies, leggings, collections. What's after leggings? Shirts. Then we have shorts, right? Then after shorts, we have, what do we have here? Collections, shorts, tops. Or no, not tops. We wouldn't be adding tops. Okay, so, do we have hoodies here? We don't. So let's search for hoodies. Okay, there we go. Hoodies. Let's just give some synchronization. So we're going to have hoodie, shirts, bras. Bottoms is unnecessary. We don't need that. Leggings, shorts. Okay, now let's hit save. Now let's just preview our website. Let me go ahead and refresh this. There you go. You can see here we have shirts, bottoms, or tops, bottoms, hoodies, shirts, bras, leggings, shorts. Notice how when I'm hovering over, there's like this effect of like this light that's just kind of traveling across, which is a nice effect, and just a cleaner look. So we also have the best sellers here, which we can toggle through, obviously, right? Let me go ahead and toggle through so that you guys see everything. So it looks good. Now, time to create a little bit of a mega menu here. So there's a lot of things you could do for a mega menu, probably way too much for me to make in this video. It would need its own video, but we might as well work on it a little bit in this episode before we move into blogs. So let's go to our customization. So online store, customize. Let's get rid of the Instagram with Shopify.com. Now, we want to do a little bit of mega menu work. So what we're going to do is hit theme settings. We're going to go into, man, there's a lot of things we could do here. First, we have to make sure our mobile is correct. Yeah, so we have no logo for mobile. We have to get that done. So header, let's do the background black, and let's add the logo image. Let's go ahead and let's select our logo. And of course, we need to decrease it in size. I don't want it to be 150 because obviously that wouldn't make any sense. So let's hit save. Let's see what comes up. And as this kind of does its thing, it should turn black. Let's see here. Black color menu mobile. Okay, so we're going to have to wait. Okay. Let me just hit OK here. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, yeah, so I don't know if I want it to be black. That kind of looks kind of ugly. Yeah, that looks really ugly, actually. I think it would be a little bit better if we could make it a slightly lighter color. Kind of like that. Right? That looks better. Right, guys? Okay. Let's hit save. I would need a black logo, but kind of does the job. You guys kind of get how to do it in mobile now. But yeah, it looks pretty good so far, right? So we have products here. We have a slider. We have a menu button here. This is a sticky menu, by the way, so the menu's here. Then the menu jumps to the bottom. We have a cart. We have whatever this is, probably a wish list, maybe. Yeah, it's a wish list. And we have our up arrow. So not too bad, not too bad. If we hit on collections, let's go to, I don't know, let's just search for tops, right? So there we go. We have all the tops. We have the features. We have the products. So this is not too bad. Now, let's head over to Mega Menu. So there's a lot of things we could do. Let's just make this desktop. Now, this is a little bit a lot. So now, let's just go to the home. So with mega menus, there's a lot to do. There's a lot of things we have to pay attention to. We can enable image blocks for our mega menu. However, you really got to be smart about how you do this. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I want to tackle it this video. I think I should just make a whole separate video for that. But like I said, I'm just not sure. Maybe you guys can tell me in the comments. Maybe that's better. Tell me in the comments if you want me to tackle mega menus here on YouTube. But anyways, there's a lot of things we could do. We have our split banner. We have our products. Let's just tackle blogs. I said we would do it. Let's do it now. So there's blog version 1, blog version 2. I'm going to select blog version 1. It doesn't come up as anything now, but let's just save it. Let's go ahead and just search some random self-blogs. Let's go on Google. And self-fitness blogs. They have a great blog. It's called self.com, I believe. Self.com. Yeah, self.com. They have a really good blog. So, let's type in fitness here. Let's select fitness. This is just an example, guys, for the blogs. Obviously, you would want to make your own. Let's select this one. How to make the most out of your rage run. Okay. Let's go to our blog posts. Create a blog. How to make the most out of your rage run. Let's save the image that we see here. And let's add the image here. Can we upload it? Yep. Let's just copy and paste everything that's being said. Okay. Hopefully that looks decent. Let's see how that's going to look. That's not too bad. Okay. I'm just going to leave it the way it is. I'm not going to add the whole entire blog. You guys get the point. Let's preview it. It's currently hidden, but okay. I'm going to have to make it visible. Let's see. Make it visible. Let's preview it. Okay, there we go. So it doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's just add a few more because we definitely need to add a few more so it can look decent. Let's go back to self and let's see a different blog. So here, let's grab this one. 8 relaxing exercises that will release tension from your entire body. And let's save the image. Which one should I go with? Let's go with this one. Or let's go with this one. I mean, we'll see. Whichever one's less pixelated. and let's copy and paste some of the text. Okay. Okay, let's get rid of this image just for the blog purposes. Let's get rid of all this weird stuff here. Let's hit save. We should have made it visible before we hit save. Let's hit save. And let's just hope it's not pixelated. So let's preview the blog. Yes, that's too small. That looks terrible. Let's go ahead and remove it. Add this one. See if it's the right one. Which one I added. I'm not sure. Yeah, I keep adding the wrong one. Let's remove it. Let's add the first one. That should be better. So let's hope so. Okay, once again, not good. It's okay. We'll keep it the way it is for now. Hopefully, we can get back to that later. Like I said, we have time is of the essence. So let's just do one more blog. Let's go back here. 10 best stress relieving workouts according to fitness experts. Okay. Let's go back to the blog. Let's save the image. Save the image. I hope it's a clear, non-pixelated image that's large in size. And let's copy and paste the information. So I'm going to keep it at number 5 just so we can keep it fresh. So I'll keep this 5 also. Let's hit save. Okay. Should be visible. Once again, that was my mistake. Should have set it to visible. And let's preview. All right, so that's good. So it's a good image, non-pixelated, looks clean, looks good, does the job. Now, let's head over back to our homepage. Let's get rid of all these links. And this is what our website used to look without the blogs. You're going to see what it looks like now with the blogs. Let's see, it's right here. And let's go ahead and do this. So instead of inspiration, I'm going to write blogs here. I'm going to be very, very casual, very, boring with it. Just going to write blogs. We can select the setting for the blog. We're going to limit the blog to 3. Like I said, we can select which blog we're doing. So let's hit news. It's obviously not going to look like this, guys. Once I save, it's going to fit it all into boxes. Keep yourself aware of that. Now that let's just give it a minute to reset itself. There you go. So it looks good. The one problem is this image. Like I said, I don't like the way it looks. It's cut off. It's small. Maybe I can grab a different one from here. That might kind of fit the need here. So let's hit download. Let's hit download again. And let's just make sure that it looks somewhat decent. The fact that this image is cut in half like this is not good. So we need to make sure it looks good. So blog posts, go back to the blog post. Let's remove it. And let's just drag and drop an image. Let's hit save. And it should look decent now. So let's see. There we go. Looks great. So you can see here, looks decent. If we hit read more, takes us to a blog post with tons of info with the blogs on the bottom, blogs on the right, search, just a whole bunch of goodness. Okay, so that's good. So every website needs blogs. Get the blogs done. They help with SEO. They help with a whole lot more. If you haven't seen my Passive Profits YouTube channel, you probably should. I talk a little bit more about blogs over there. But, we'll worry about that for a different time. Let's now take a look at what else we can add. Like I said, time is of the essence. We're 29 minutes in. So let's go back and let's take a look at our online store. The beautiful thing about Wolf of Shopify, the theme, is there's really not much, we don't really need apps. Other than a review app, there's really nothing else we need. Ad section. We can take a look at some of the banners. So split banner, we already have up there. Banner number 2 is some kind of promo banner. Banner number 3, we already seen this. Banner number 4, number 5, number 6. We have blog version 1, blog version 2. Blog version 1 I like a little bit better. We have blog with branding 1, We have collection sub 2, collection sub 3, 4, 5, sub 1, countdown. So we have a countdown banner. We could do this. I feel like it's optional. Flash sale, Instagram V1. What we're going to do, and I think this is a good idea, is we need to have a section where, I mean, we could add a lookbook. It's kind of like one of those things. It's like, which one do you want, a lookbook or a gallery? I think we might as well go with lookbook. Why not? So let's select lookbook number 2 for fun, and let's add a slide lookbook. So let's add an image. Let's say this one, or I want them to be uniform in size. So let's see. This is a good. I mean, it's kind of spaced out. This is a good image. I would say this is a decent image. This is a decent image. Let's take a look at some of our other images. This is a little bit better for a lookbook. Let's select product 1, and what is she wearing here? Classic seamless leggings, I guess, or the seamless sports bra. That's even better. That's probably better. Let's say product number 2 is the leggings, right? So the leggings, where are the leggings located? Let's just get rid of that entirely. Let's just keep it at 1. Let's hit save. And basically when somebody was to come and click, they'll be like, what is this? It'll pop up. Let's do another slide. Should be here. Yep. And let's do, yeah, why not? Let's go with this image. Actually, no, I don't think it looks too good. What about this one? Yeah, we can go with this one. Why not? Let's select the, let's select the classic leggings, the gray ones. Unless there's another product that we have here, we might as well go for it. We can, you know what we can do? We could remove this, and we could go to product number 2, and we can select the leggings. Why not? Right? So it would. This is the same design as like in the demo 1, 2. That's kind of like where I got the idea from, and then let's go for number 3. Let's hope number 3 has a decent look. So if you notice, they're all kind of uniform. So there's a gray concrete background, 3 different poses. Maybe this one might be a little bit better. You guys decide in the comments which one's better, this one or this one. I think this one's a little better because it just zooms in on the product a little bit more. But, you know, it is what it is. Let's go for product number 3. Let's hit select. And I did not add the green one. But, you know what? We'll select any random one just for fun. So 1, 2, 3, right? So we can edit this kind of text. So it will be like, let's say shop the look or something. Shop our lookbook. So shop the lookbook. Shop the 2020 lookbook might be a little bit better, right? And let's put a space between that. And just keep it at that. You guys can edit the headline. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it looks in real time. So where is it here? Theme actions. Let's view. You can see here we have the split banner. We have this here. We're going to do mega menus next time. And we have the product images. We have a spinner for the products, right? So you could see here, right? So you guys get how it looks. We have blogs. We have lookbook. So what I would do, you could see here with the lookbook, right? The products are right there. If products is interesting, they'll view it, right? Same way with any other product. They're all kind of designed similarly, right? You can click on an image, zoom in, zoom out, click on it, right? So it's kind of up to you. You have previous, you have next. So it's overall a great design. We're just chipping it away at this, right? A little bit every day. We'll eventually knock it down. I think it's very important for everybody here to consistently work at their store, okay? I'll see you guys in the next episode. There's just a lot we need to get done to get this store fully built. And now you guys can see kind of like what goes into a business in a store like this. The one thing I will do is I like to keep my blogs at the bottom. It's just a habit that I've had, and it's just something, like I said, that just makes me feel better about building a store a certain way. From a conversion standpoint, remember that your goal is always to get the sale first. That's why blogs have to be at the bottom. You can make the argument that blogs is like a piece of content. It will educate the consumer, things like that. But people are not coming to your store to look at a blog, right? They're coming to your store to make a purchase. That's why I keep the blogs at the bottom. We could add blogs to on top here, the header, but like I said, we're going to talk about this in the next episode, which is tomorrow, that don't put anything here that's going to distract away from the sale. Like, there's no reason to put blogs on the top. It's going to distract away from the sale. Unless there's a certain strategy behind that. It's a different conversation, but in this case, we're selling clothing, right? We're not selling blogs. So keep anything that's sellable on the top bar. All right, let's move on to next episode, which is like tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Make sure you tune in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, guys, and turn notification bell on so that once I post a video, you guys get to see it. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon.